Howdy folks, it's been just over a year since I bought my Formlabs Fuse 1 and started producing 3D printed parts right here in my workshop. Since then, I've made over 10,000 parts spread across more than 4,200 orders. But there's two of these parts now that are very special. I've been itching to tell you about them. Something I made here in my workshop is now in space. Specifically, the same holster design as this one right here. Two of them actually, one for the Leatherman Arc, one for the Garage number 5, are currently orbiting the Earth on the International Space Station. The coolest part is they aren't tucked away in a locker somewhere. They're clipped to an astronaut's belt and being actively used. So back in October of last year, I got an email through my website. It came from a nasa.gov address, and the person said they needed a holster for a work mission. Now, when I read work mission, I'm thinking maybe testing something here on the ground or a project around the Johnson Space Center. Didn't realize it meant that kind of work mission. I was apparently blind to the fact that the email literally was tagged military astronauts. You'd think that would have set off a few alarm bells, but nope, I didn't even notice. In either case, we ended up trading emails. He had questions about belt clips, accessories. He was doing his research. I shared a discount code. I helped him sort through all the different options, got him squared away. Pretty much the same thing I do with any customer that writes in. But here's the funny part. He asked more questions than any other customer I've ever had. You would have thought about, maybe the 25th email, I would have looked him up, but honestly, we were conversing so down to earth that he felt like any other customer. A month went by and he actually came back for a second holster. This time for the limited edition Garage number 5, which he apparently had to get from a scalper. Of course, the white finish and the spring-loaded pliers are probably a better fit for an astronaut anyway. He has obviously no gravity assist to help him open the pliers. And he wanted to carry the 711L flex head ratchet, which the holster could handle. It actually fits on the side here where the Leatherman ratchet also goes. And he even sent me back this photo confirming, yep, it fit. After that, it kind of just faded into the background. Like any other customer story, I kept printing, dyeing, packing, and shipping. So fast forward to a couple months later, someone posts on Reddit with the subject line, Johnny Kim looks to be rocking a Leatherman Garage 5 in a ZapWizard sheath on the International Space Station right now.
Welcome to the International Space Station, where we conduct science on a daily basis.
I zoomed in. Sure enough, it was mine. The same holster I printed right here in my workshop is now orbiting 250 miles above the Earth. At that moment, all that was going through my head, and a headphone warning here. Space! At first, I didn't even realize who Johnny Kim was. I thought, wow, an astronaut bought my holster. That's amazing enough. But then I looked him up, started pulling up our email chain, putting it all together, and that's when it hit me. He's that astronaut. The one you see in the memes about how much a person can accomplish in their life. Navy SEAL, Harvard doctor, NASA astronaut with the titles of naval aviator and flight surgeon on that. So he's that guy. He's the one who decided to take my holster to the ISS. So I do have to say thank you, Johnny. I did send him an email thank you, and I haven't gotten a reply yet, but I expect he's a bit busy. So this means a lot to me because I've been a NASA fan my whole life. I got to visit the Houston Space Center for my 8th birthday. And back in 2001, I was able to take my niece and nephew to the Space Center. And that's when I took these photos. At the time, the real space station was still being assembled. And even this training mock-up was just amazing to see. Now, one thing I learned while digging around in all of this is that Leatherman tools have actually been on the ISS probably from the very beginning. For example, here's a video of an astronaut using a Leatherman Wave to repair an Omega Speedmaster watch in 0G. Astronaut Victor Glover was spotted on Reddit sporting a Leatherman on the station back in 2020. And I even found official NASA cargo contracts that listed Leatherman multi-tools right next to all the other specialized gear. But this photo, to me, is really cool. I spotted a group of Leatherman holsters in their stock pouches right next to Johnny Kim. However, a few moments later, he's using the garage number 5 to repair some Ethernet cables. So I guess quick holster access beats digging around in a Velcro bag. And the more you think about it, the more it makes sense that a quick access holster would work up there. It doesn't weigh much. It actually weighs less than the nylon pouch by itself. And so when it costs a fortune to launch every ounce into space, that makes sense. There's no Velcro, there's no snaps, there's nothing to open. It's just a solid click when the tool locks in, and the holster keeps everything together. Bits, ratchet, multi-tool, nothing's going to drift away in 0G. This is exactly what you want on the ISS. Take a look around at this photo, for example. Everything on the ISS is equipment. Most of it's specialized. Everything has to work, the tools have to be accessible, and that's what you want. So just to give a little bit more perspective here, I'm not a big company making aerospace certified gear. While I've been selling my holster design for over a decade, I've been making them right here in my garage for the past year. Here in Dripping Springs, Texas. And yes, this photo was taken from the ISS. But this is just me running a Fuse 1, cleaning the parts, dyeing them, packing them, shipping them out. Most of them, of course, end up in toolboxes right here on Earth, but now a few of them are circling the planet every 90 minutes. That's super cool. No, this video is not endorsed by NASA, Leatherman, or Johnny Kim. It's just me sharing one of the proudest moments of my life at the 1-year anniversary of building my workshop. So from being a kid who wanted to go to space camp to having my designs clipped to an astronaut's belt, that's pretty cool. Super amazing what you can do with a 3D printer, a bit of know-how. So from my workshop to orbit, thanks to everyone's help along the way, this is me signing off. Thanks for watching.
Space. Wanna go to space. Wanna go to space. Space.